So good morning everyone. Today on 30th of April 2021, we are going to start or extend our chapter that is environment. As yesterday we had studied that what the environment is. Environment is our surrounding. Environment is our surrounding. Whatever the immediate surrounding we have. So that surrounding can be natural or man-made. Natural or man-made. Fine. Natural is further divided into biotic and abiotic. ठीक है? Biotic means all the living organisms surroundings, and abiotic means land, water, rocks, mineral. These are the natural products, but they are given to us by the nature, but they are not living. So they are abiotic. Man-made surroundings, we have dams, buildings, roads, etc. And then is human himself. What you have high humans are relations, you can say our religion, our school education, medical facilities, medical, you can say health centers. Okay, so all these are considered to be our environment. Like here now we have the platform of online study. So this is what the environment, and according to the environment we are working. So environment का कल concept मैंने properly आपको explain किया था, कोई doubt तो नहीं थी उसमें, that every person and environment also changes from place to place. According to condition of temperature and climate. ठीक है, अगर टेम्परेचर कहीं पर ज्यादा है, सपोज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट राजस्थान, the temperature of Rajasthan is more than the temperature of, we can say, Kashmir, then according to the temperature the people or the native of that area will be there. Like अगर हम लोग उसकी प्लांटेशन की बात करें, नेचुरल जो हमारे होते हैं प्लांट्स या नेचुरल वेजिटेशन जो होती है, if we will talk about that, so in Rajasthan or in a desert area, there is growth of keकर. वहां पर कीकर होते हैं, cactus plants होते हैं. But if we talk about the plains, like in Punjab, Haryana, then here we have the vegetation of plain areas. And if we go to the mountain, then we have different types of plants. Deodar, or you can say other popular trees, or in Punjab also we have banyan tree, peepal tree, neem tree, popular tree. So according to the area, plantation is also there. And if we go to the Bengal side, तो वहां पर हमें जो है evergreen forest मिलते हैं. Evergreen forest क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर डेल्टा बनता है नदी का, और वहां पर डेल्टा में उस तरह के पौधे जो है, उस तरह की वेजिटेशन जो है वो मिलती. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे कश्मीर में एप्पल्स ज्यादा होते हैं, जबकि नागपुर में ऑरेंजेस ज्यादा होते हैं. पीनट्स जो है वो राजस्थान और गुजरात वाली साइड ज्यादा है उगता है. कॉटन प्लांट जो है वो ब्लैक सॉइल में होता है, तो ब्लैक सॉइल कहाँ पर है? गुजरात में है. So all these things are depending upon the temperature and condition. Environment also vary according to the temperature and climate. If climate is hot, then we can see a desert का जो camel है, camel desert area में होता है. Can we see that animal in the mountain area?
No.
Oh. We can't see. No. Because camel is considered as a ship of desert. हम छोटे होते से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. And there we found more reptiles. वहां पर reptiles, snakes, lizard, ऐसी चीजें ज्यादा होती हैं. और जबकि हम लोग अगर बंगाल की अगर बात करें तो वहां पर टाइगर्स बहुत होते हैं, बंगाल का शेर सुना होगा, ये टाइगर डायलॉग सुना होगा, ठीक है। बंगाल में शेर होते हैं, गिर फॉरेस्ट वहां पर भी शेर है। और अगर कोई तुम लोग नेचुरल, अब पंजाब में हम लोग यहाँ पर ज्यादा से ज्यादा, हमें ज्यादा यहाँ एनिमल नहीं मिलते, हम लोगों को हुशियारपुर से आगे जाकर देखने पड़ते हैं इफ वी वांट टू सी, ठीक है। थोड़े बहुत एनिमल्स जो है वो हमें वहां पहाड़ों में मिलते हैं, लॉयंस वगैरह, और बहुत हाई हिल्स पे जाकर मिलते हैं। हमारे नॉर्मल हिल्स पे यहाँ पर हमें क्या मिलेंगे, कैट मिल जाएंगे, डॉग मिल जाएंगे, एस मिल जाएंगे, ऐसा मिलेगा, ठीक है। जबकि पोनीज वगैरह जो है वो माउंटेन एरिया में हमें ज्यादा मिलते हैं, हॉर्स हमें माउंटेन एरिया में ज्यादा मिलते हैं। सो इट ऑल डिपेंड अपॉन द क्लाइमेट, इवन vegetation also differ according to the climate and temperature. Animals and insects are also different from climate, vary from place to place because of temperature and climate. As nowadays if you want to see, हमारे पंजाब का टेम्परेचर अब डे बाय डे बढ़ता जा रहा है, it is going increasing day by day, isn't it? बढ़ रहा है ना? Now there is a need to switch on ACs at night, हो रहा है ना? जबकि when last week when 2 days continue rain was there, so we were feeling to just wrap ourselves with one मतलब thick cloth, है ना, फुल स्लीव्स की मम्मा ने आपको शर्ट्स पहना दी होंगी। दिस इज व्हाट क्लाइमेट, क्लाइमेट जो है, वेदर जो है, weather is a short term phenomena which changes from day morning to day evening. Climate is the period of 2 or 3 months. जैसे अब कौन सा क्लाइमेट हमारा यहाँ पर चल रहा है, समर, समर सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन। So environment, according to the environment, we people also do the changes according to that. So next the natural environment is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And I had explained you that all these three things are very much required for the growth and survival of a biosphere. अगर lithosphere नहीं होगा तो you can say we cannot say that person or animal or plant can grow. If atmosphere will be not there, then we are not able to breathe. And if water will not be there, then we cannot survive. क्योंकि हमारी body water require करती है, ठीक है। So all these things मैंने कल आपको बना के दिखाया था। This is I'll just erase again. Like this is lithosphere, this is hydrosphere, and this is atmosphere. And the combination of all these three is known as biosphere. Biosphere, where life is possible, where life is existing. So biosphere is a sphere which require all lithosphere, इसका lithosphere भी चाहिए, hydrosphere पानी भी चाहिए और atmosphere हवा चाहिए। Is it okay? So that is biosphere. So now human environment, last topic जो है हमारा human environment, वो कहाँ पर exist करता है, biosphere में, because biosphere is a sphere which is comprising all the living organisms, living organism. So this is required. So human being interact with environment and modify it according to their need. हम लोग environment के अंदर रहते हैं और अपने आप को साथ साथ modify करते रहते हैं. Like I had given you example. If summers are there, then we switch on ACs and fans, and if winters are there, then we on geysers and you can say warmers, है ना? So early human depend upon themselves to the natural surrounding. पहले का जो ह्यूमन था वो अपने आप को डिपेंड करता था नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स पे. दे लेड सिंपल लाइफ एंड फुलफिल देयर रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम द नेचर अराउंड देम. पहले का मनुष्य बिल्कुल सिंपल रहता था. They were not having any kind of need of all these artificial gadgets. But now as the population is increasing, need for using these artificial gadgets are increasing. So they led a simple life, fulfill the requirement from the natural surrounding. With time grows and become more varied, human learned the new ways to use and change the environment. They learn how to grow crops, हमें पहले आदि मानव जो हमने क्लास 6 में पढ़ा था, अर्ली मैन, early man was not having knowledge of anything, but later on gradually he come to know that the crop production can be done, and with the help of crop production he was using the plants, and then domestication एनिमल, उसने धीरे धीरे पशुओं को पालना शुरू किया, उसको घर पे रखना शुरू किया, एंड लेड अ सेटल्ड लाइफ। पहले जो थे वो नोमैड्स थे, nomads who were moving from one place to another place in search of food. But when they start cultivating on the crops, they use some of the animals as domestication, उनको रखना शुरू किया, and start living a settled life. The wheel was being invented. Early man has invented the wheel. Then it led to the development of transportation. And surplus food was being produced. That surplus food they want to sell it in the market. और वो जगह जगह जाकर बेचना शुरू हो गए. That led to development of barter system. Now this is the first word that first time you are being aware of the word that is called barter system. Do you know what is barter system?
Yes.
Okay, early man जो था, he was not aware of having currency. उनके पास currency नहीं थी, उनके पास पैसा नहीं था. Like nowadays, so we people want to take chocolate, we want to take chips, so we take the 20 rupees and go to the market and pay the 20 rupees and get a packet of chips and get a one bar of chocolate. But at that time, it was not like that. At that time, there was a system that was barter system. Barter system means, suppose one family has produced wheat, another family has produced another thing, like rice. So they were exchanging their commodities with each other according to the requirement. So that exchange of thing was known as a barter system when money was not in use. When population was very less, when needs were very less, when people were living very simple life. So at that time, they want to satisfy their basic needs. They had or to give the surplus production of their side to another section of society. They use the system of a barter system. I hope it is clear. So barter system is a system of exchanging goods and services from one section to another section without the use of money. Because at that time there was no existence of money. So trade and commerce slowly developed. Later on, industrial also developed and led to the industrial revolution. Large scale industries like Tata Industries, Tata Iron and Steel Industries, Birla Industries. So different industries had also expanded, and transportation has also expanded and become faster. Nowadays, the information revolution. आज के डेट में हम लोग जो क्लासेस लगा रहे हैं, this is only because of information revolution made in communication. ये क्या हो रहा है हमारा? Physically we are not meeting, but virtually we are meeting. Virtually or informative way में, because of the technical advancement, nowadays we people are able to continue our education system through this platform. This platform is considered to be a information revolution, made communication easier and speedy across the world. If any one of you is sitting in Delhi, can attend the class right now with the same platform, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
it is there. It is here. This is what I want to tell you better. If you will not study, if you will not work hard, like you people are taking the advantage that we have laptops, we have mobiles. Who invented it? Human beings. Who made it? Human beings. Because they were studying, they were intelligent, they had done hard work. और अगर तुम लोग ऐसे गेम्स ही खेलते रहोगे, तो अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जब होगी आज से 40 साल बाद, तुम लोग बनाओगे ही नहीं, पढ़ोगे ही नहीं. How they will come to know what the previous generation has done? Our previous generation has done a lot. That is why we are able to study over this platform. But if you will waste your time on the games, then for the next generation, who will make? This is the point to think. अगर हम पढ़ेंगे नहीं, हम अपने आप को डेवलप नहीं करेंगे, तो how you will be able to give new technology or new platforms to the next generation? अभी बहुत छोटे हो आप, लेकिन आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपना टाइम जो है अपनी गेम्स, कौन सी गेम्स पे, फिजिकल गेम्स पे, अपना टाइम अपनी स्टडी पे, अपना टाइम मॉरल डेवलपमेंट पे लगाना चाहिए, ना कि सिर्फ इसके ऊपर अपनी कारें देखते रहो और अपनी चीजें, ये जो गेम्स आपकी आती रहती हैं, आई डोंट नो नेम्स ऑफ दैट गेम्स, इट शुड नॉट बी देयर। इज इट ओके बेटा? सो दिस had led to the development of many more human environments. ठीक है, पॉइंट इज क्लियर। नेक्स्ट आता है आपका, have you ever thought that you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer? आप लोगों को गर्मियों में आजकल वाटरमेलन मिल रहा है, और सर्दियों में आप लोगों को क्या मिलता है? पीनट्स मिलते हैं, almonds मिलते हैं खाने को। This is what, because of the season we get different kinds of food. So human environment is a combination of all the temperature and climate, all the situations. So we as a human being satisfy ourselves with our surroundings and making the development. Is the point is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now come to the point. Last अभी मैंने जो आपके साथ डिस्कस किया है, what is an ecosystem? What is an ecosystem? It is a system formed by the interaction of all the surroundings. It is a system in which there is the interaction of all the surroundings, living organism with each other, as well as living organism with the combination of natural and man-made. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हम लोग नेचुरल कंपोनेंट, आजकल गर्मी है और विद आवर सराउंडिंग हम लोग एसी चला रहे हैं। So ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with their physical and chemical factors. Is it okay? It is being given on page number, you can say 4. Properly it is being given. If you want to do, you can do it from that. Then second question, that is, what do you mean by natural environment? Anji, what do you mean by natural environment? The environment which is being given to us by the nature. Land, water, air, animal, comprising all these things are considered to be as a natural environment. Is it okay? So next point जो आता है आपका, that is, what are the major component of environment? Major component of environment are natural environment, that is biotic, abiotic, human environment, that is relations and all, educational institution, medical hospitals and all that, that is, and man-made buildings, roads, schools, ये सारा क्या है हमारा man-made environment, component of environment. Next आता है 4 examples of human-made environment: school, building, road, dams, all these are example of human-made environment. Then आ जाता है, what is lithosphere? The uppermost solid hard top of the earth is known as a lithosphere. Fine. Next आ जाता है, which 2 major components of biotic environment? Biotic environment के 2 components कौन से हैं? Living organism, plants and animals and human beings. Plants, animals and human beings. Next आ जाता है, what is biosphere? The combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere led to biosphere, a domain in which all the living organism can live according to temperature, according to you can say climate. Is it okay? Any doubt to anyone? Okay, on which day we celebrated World Environment Day? That is 5th of June every year. 5th of June every year we celebrate World Environment Day. What do you mean by barter system? It is the system of a trade in which goods are being exchanged from one person to another person, and it was done when the money was not in existence. Early man has developed that process, because to give their surplus production or to share their surplus production to each other. So, which is not a natural ecosystem, desert, aquarium or forest? कौन सा होता है? Aquarium, जिसमें हम को डालते हैं. Which is not a component of human environment? Land, religion, community. Land is lithosphere. Which is human-made environment? Mountain, sea or road?
Road.
Yes, road. Which is the threat of environment? अब हमारे environment के लिए threat क्या है? हमारे environment के लिए threat क्या है? Growing population. Yes.
Growing
Growing
population.
population is the threat for a human environment. Is it okay? And the assignment which I have given, can you do? Any doubt to anyone? Please ask, बच्चे.